Channel-Cove is a tough, high molecular weight plastic cove diverter. Its fluted channels direct water down the wall and into the French drain system. It is installed on the footer along the perimeter of a basement floor. Channel-Cove is seamless, pre-scored to create a 10-inch by 5-inch angle, and easy to install. First, measure the length of each wall to determine the number of linear feet you'll need for the job. Channel-Cove is sold in 250-foot rolls and is available in white or gray. Next, break up the floor about 12 inches to 18 inches away from the wall around the perimeter of the basement. The goal is to completely expose the footer and create a trench next to it for the interior drainage pipe. The footer and pipe will ultimately be covered by Channel-Cove. As you lay the drainage pipe in the trench, pitch it so water flows toward the sump basin. Fill any voids in the trench with gravel to help water flow into the drainage pipe. Remember, you can pour concrete directly on top of Channel-Cove, so you don't need to worry about covering it with extra gravel. Drill weep holes into the block wall to relieve water pressure that may be built up inside. These holes will also allow any future water buildup easy passage into the drainage system. The holes are typically drilled into each mortar joint, plus 1 to 3 more in the wall of each block. Now that the French drain system has been installed, it's time to cover the wall, footer, and pipe with Channel-Cove. Roll out the Channel-Cove and fold it along the score. Lay it against the footer with the channels facing the wall and ground. As you move down the wall, use drive pins or other concrete fasteners to fasten the Channel-Cove to the wall. Channel-Cove can easily be cut with a knife to cover inside and outside corners. Take note of where your corners are and how many cuts you'll need to make. You can also install Durowall or another moisture barrier along with Channel-Cove, fastening it to the wall through the Channel-Cove. Once you've covered the entire perimeter of the basement with Channel-Cove, it's time to re-pour the concrete floor. You can pour concrete directly on the Channel-Cove, which will reduce the amount of gravel needed, while creating a thicker, more sturdy floor. For more information on Channel-Cove or to place an order, give us a call today.